Okay, example B. What is the solution of the inequality y is greater than x minus 1? So, first of all, this inequality is in slope-intercept form, meaning it's in y equals mx plus b form. However, instead of there being an equal sign, there is a greater than sign. But we're going to graph it the exact same way. So my my slope in this case, is 1 over 1, because there's an invisible 1 in front of the x. And my b is equal to negative 1. I'm going to start at negative 1, and then I'm going to go up 1 over 1 until I cannot anymore. And then I'm going to go down 1 and left 1, because I know if I go down, that's negative, and if I go left, that's also negative, and a negative over a negative is a positive. Okay, so now I need to ask myself, is it going to be solid or is it going to be dashed? Well, I do not see a line underneath this. So since I don't see a line, my line is going to be dashed. So I'm going to go back to all my dots and just make it a dashed line. And put arrows on either side because it keeps going. Okay, so now I need to use my test point. So Missy likes to use test point 0, 0. You could pick any point you want. You could choose 2, negative 2. You could choose 0, 3. You could choose whatever point you want, but I'm going to choose 0, 0 as my test point. So I'm going to plug 0 in for y and 0 in for x, and then I'm going to put the rest of the inequality the same way it was written. So I saw greater than, 0 was in for x, and then minus 1. Now I'm just going to keep simplifying. So I'll have 0 is greater than, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Is 0 bigger than negative 1? Yes, this is true. And since it is true, I'm going to shade where 0, 0 is. So I'm going to take my shading and I'm going to shade all along the boundary line, covering 0, 0 because it is a true statement. So 0, 0 is a solution to our inequality. But every other point that falls in the shaded region would be a solution. So that 0, 3 that I thought about plugging in, that's a solution. Negative 2, comma 2, that's a solution. All of these are solutions. Everything in here in this shaded region are the solutions. Okay, I could pick any point in there and that would work. However, stuff on this side would not work. Anything on that side would not work because it would not make the inequality true. All right, with that being said, I want you guys to try it.